Hi everyone, this is Barry from Knitting for Love, and today is just an update video on the purple sweater that we don't know what's going to look like until we actually finish it. So this little cord right here, this green line, is just extra. It's a safety thread. So if I made a mistake here, I can just rip it out to that point, put it back on the needles, keep on going. I'm actually going to remove that because I'm happy with the work. And I'm going to put it up here. But as you can tell, I have my stitch markers. This is a pattern that I designed myself. And as you can tell, there are lacy patterns. There's a small lacy pattern in between everything. So this is like a little lace ladder here. And then I've got knit stitches here. And I have these little fans here. That actually, and it has a little lace design here at the end of the fan. So when it's blocked, it will look really pretty. So we have a small design here, medium design here, and then we have the large design right here, which will be in the front of the sweater and the back center of the sweater. And as you can tell, it's a nice little lace pattern, which fans out here and here. So this is going to be like a fan feather, but not exactly a fan feather because we all know it doesn't look like this. And this is just the beginning, and it has these little sideways triangle knit patterns that actually came from within this pattern, being that this was a solid piece of it. And then we got the little small pattern again, and we have the fan again, the medium pattern, and then we have a small pattern. So this color is dark purple, lilac, and like a lavender, and then this is like a medium violet purple color. So we have 3 different shades of purple going on here. And as you can tell, I got these stitch markers, and that divides my patterns. So just an update. We'll check in again in about a week or so to see how long I've gone. But if you have any questions, happy knitting. Talk to y'all later.